Good afternoon, Clark Fortuna with Oakville Mitsubishi, presenting a 2022 Volkswagen Tiguan. This is in the R line with only 41,900 kilometers on the clock, loaded with features: silver exterior, black leather interior, gorgeous rims here, Scorpion Pirelli tires on it, full digital gauge cluster, backup camera, heated seats, panoramic moonroof, push button start, keyless entry, remote starter, the list goes on. Great option for anybody looking for something fairly new. Low kilometers, luxurious, reliable German car, so a lot of fun to drive and price to sell. Clark Fortuna, Oakville Mitsubishi, 2022 Volkswagen Tiguan R line.